Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Today we're going to learn 10 ways to express your surprise in French. How to say, oh my goodness, or oh really? Or seriously? No way. Are you ready for it? So, as usual, head to my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com, where you'll find the transcript and you can find more practice. Everything is free. You don't have to sign up for anything. Also, I have a Facebook page where you can find more content for, organizing your travel to France or if you plan to move to France. Are you ready to speak French? I'll be right back after this short break. Alors, let's start by one of the most famous French expressions. Oh la la. You've noticed that I say ha, oh la la. Some people say oh la la, and some people say oh la la. As mentioned in a previous episode, oh la la or oh la la has nothing risky to it. It means oh my goodness or oh my God. Oh la la. You can use it whenever you're surprised, whenever, someone tells you something and you just want to say, oh my goodness. You can also say hola. Some people say hola in some part of France. But oh la la, or oh la la, they all mean the same thing. Oh my goodness or oh my God. Ah bon? Ah bon? Oh, really? Ah bon? Okay, well, it's very short, right? Notice, ah bon. What we learned before is that on sound. To make the on sound, you purse your lips together. On. Ah bon? Ah bon is oh, really. Then you can also say vraiment. Vraiment. You've noticed that, you want to put the stress on vrai. And I know vrai is not very easy to say, so you have to practice that R sound. And if you have not done so, you can look up my episodes and you'll find a lot of practice to nail that R sound. Vraiment? Vraiment. Really. You can also say c'est pas vrai. C'est pas vrai. It means really too, right? So you can say vraiment or c'est pas vrai. C'est pas vrai means it's not true, but we don't say that in English. C'est pas vrai. Quoi? Quoi? Means what? When you hear something and you're not sure and you want to say, what? Quoi? Quoi, you want to make a que and the wa in what? Quoi? Then we have another one, and it's a very funny expression. Oh la vache. Oh la vache. Alors, what does that mean? Okay, la vache means the cow. What has a cow to do with your surprise? Well, I'm not sure, but if you want to say something like, wow, you would say in French, oh la vache, or oh la vache. You can if you want a little bit at the beginning, or just say, oh la vache. It's when you express your surprise, something, such as wow. Then you can also say, sérieux? Sérieux? And you've noticed, right, that I have my voice going on a high pitch because you want to express your surprise. It's the same when saying, seriously? Sérieux? Sérieux? Seriously? Carrément. Carrément. Carrément, we've seen it before, and you can also use it to say absolutely. Here, it's more to say, oh, seriously. Of course, you want to change the intonation, and you want to make sure that you're going to do the more a little higher. Carrément? Carrément? What carrément means squarely? Of course, here it doesn't really mean anything, but carrément is a very up to date. So if you say sérieux ou carrément, people will understand what you say. Then you can also say ah ouais. Ah ouais. Alors, ouais means yeah, so it's like oh yeah. It means get out. Ah ouais? Ah ouais? It's, a very familiar, casual way. And then you can also say arrête. Arrête. Arrête means no way. You've noticed that the ah in French is the same ah that you have, in the word pat. Arrête. It's a high pitch, not oh, ah. Arrête. No way. Of course, to use all these expressions, you have to practice your R. So, as I said before, if you have not done so, make sure to download and listen to the episode about how to nail the French R. All right. Let's go over all these expressions together one more time. Oh la la, or oh la la. Your time to repeat. Ah bon? Ah bon? Oh really? Ah bon? Your turn. Vraiment? Vraiment? Really? So, you can, of course, put more emphasis. Vraiment. Your turn. C'est pas vrai. C'est pas vrai. Really? Your turn. Quoi? Quoi? Means what? Quoi? Your turn. Oh la vache. Oh la vache. So you can even be dramatic, right? Oh la vache. It means wow. And really, the translation, as I said, is oh, the cow, which doesn't translate at all. Oh la vache. Your turn. Sérieux? Sérieux? Seriously. Your turn. Carrément. Carrément. Your turn. Ah ouais. Oh, ah ouais? Get out. Ah ouais? Your turn. And now the last one. Arrête. Arrête. No way. Your turn. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Give yourself a big applause. You made it to the end, and now you know 10 ways to express surprise in French. Make sure to practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. And go on the website where you can find the cheat sheet and the transcript and some practice. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any upcoming episodes. The episode will download in your phone or on your computer automatically, so that's great. And I will ask you a small favor. It's, if you found this episode very helpful, to leave a 5-star ratings. If you listen in Spotify app, you can do it in the app. If you listen in Apple Podcasts, you can do it too, or any other platforms that you use. One more time, merci. Thank you for being such a great listener. If no one has told you today, you are terrific. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.